Hello dear students. Today's class topic is chemical reaction. Basically chemical reactions are has four types. One is a combination reaction. Second is decomposition reaction. Third is displacement reaction. This is also known as substitution reaction. Fourth is double displacement reaction. Now we have to discuss step by step in detail form. First case we have to discuss combination reaction. In the combination reaction, two type of reactants are combined and form product. For example, reactant A plus reactant B gives product AB. It is a format of combination reaction. Left side of the arrow are known as reactants and right side of the arrow are known as product. Example of the combination reaction is, suppose we have magnesium plus oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide. Second reaction, suppose calcium oxide plus CO2, it gives CaCO3. These are the example of combination reaction. One more example is H2 plus O2 gives H2O. These are the examples of combination reactions. And another example of C carbon plus O2 gives CO2. In general, magnesium is in solid form, oxygen is in gas form, calcium oxide is in solid form, oxygen is in gas form, hydrogen here is gas, oxygen is also gas, carbon is in solid form and oxygen is in gas form. These are the examples of combination reactions. Now second reaction is decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, we can say decomposition reaction is just opposite of the combination reactions. For example, decomposition reaction, in decomposition reaction, suppose format of the decomposition reaction is AB gives A plus B. For example, Mg, for example, CaCO3 converted in CaO plus CO2. H2O decomposed its form H2 plus O2. Balance the reaction we get, right, 2 and 2. 2H2 plus 1O2. 2 water molecule decomposes in 2 hydrogen molecule and 1 oxygen molecule. And similarly, another example of decomposition reaction is, suppose these are the examples of decomposition reaction. Now decomposition reaction is classified into three parts, 1, 2 and 3. First part is thermal decomposition. Second is electrolytic decomposition, and third is decomposition in the presence of light, and photo decomposition. Photo decomposition reaction or decomposition in the presence of light. Example of thermal decomposition is CaCO3 breaks into CaO plus CO2. CO2 is gas, CaO is solid, and this is solid. This is the example of thermal decomposition, because calcium carbonate decomposed in calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide in the presence of heat. Delta, this sign is called delta or del. This represents for the heating. Electrolytic decomposition. That type of decomposition are exhibited by the electrolysis. For example, when we electrolyze of water, then we get H2 plus O2. This is called electrolytic decomposition. For example, these are the two tubes and this is broken. electrodes. These are the electrodes connected with the battery. When we pass the current in water, and we have to mix with a little amount of 1 or 2 drops of concentrated H2SO4. Then we get, this is the positive electrode, this is negative electrode, it is anode and it is cathode. So oxygen stored, oxygen has negative charge, therefore oxygen is stored in this container here in oxygen, and hydrogen is stored in this. This is called hydrogen. This is the example of electrolytic decomposition. Another example of electrolytic decomposition is when we electrolyze NaCl, molten NaCl. It is a molten NaCl, dissociate into sodium plus chlorine. One the reaction, this is in solid form and this is in gas form. These are the example of electrolytic decomposition. Example of photodecomposition is AgCl split into Ag plus C. It is an example of photodecomposition by light. Silver is here solid and chlorine is in gas, and this is in solid. AgCl is in solid form. Okay. These are the example of decomposition reaction. Now the third type of reaction is displacement reaction. What type of reaction is called? Displacement reaction. And displacement reaction is, previously I have explained, the format of displacement reaction is this: AC plus B. Example, suppose ZnSO4 ZnSO4 react with zinc, react with H2SO4. This sulfate at HCl, now it is converted into ZnSO4 plus H2. This is a good example of displacement reaction. Another example of CuSO4 react with Fe, then this sulfate attached to this is converted into Cu plus FeSO4. This is the example, also example of displacement. This is a single displacement because one radical displaced. Another type of reaction is double displacement reaction. In double displacement reaction is two components are displaced by each other. For example, very good example of double displacement reaction is when AgNO3 react with fourth type of reaction is double displacement. And this is the example of third type of reaction. AgNO3 react with NaCl. This Cl attached here and this NO3 attached here. That's why it is called Ag. It's formed in the form of product AgCl and NaNO3. Here chloride ion attached to the silver and NO3 nitrate ion is attached to sodium, and it's from sodium nitrate and silver chloride. It is a good example of double displacement reaction. For today's class, we have to study four types of reaction. One is combination reaction. Second is decomposition reaction. Third is displacement reaction, and fourth is double displacement reaction. I have given you some examples related to these, and for today's that's for next topic we will study in next class. Thank you very much.